Hi, I'm Amanda Folstad-Ptak, national level bodybuilding competitor. I started my career in figure and soon hope to transition to physique. I've also done a lot of sports modeling, but I wouldn't have been able to do any of this without a hardcore training regimen and good supplementation. One of my favorites right now is the Gamalup's PTF. It gives me great energy, super high endurance, and great pumps in the gym. And also, it's got a grapefruit punch taste. Check this out.